Happy October. It is the 2nd of October. Crazy. I hope you had a great weekend. Mine was not. The weather was beautiful. Gosh, just beautiful. So that was good. And it's gorgeous today. It's going to be gorgeous all week. There is no rain in the forecast until Saturday, and it's only 20%. Amazing. This is the weekend of our retreat in the mountains, so I'm pretty excited about that. Having nice weather, it'll be good. All right, with all of that said, I got in 2 new hot books that are supposed to be amazing. My book rep was like, you got to have these. People are ordering them over and over and over. And I was like, all right, we'll see how it goes. So the first one is called The Fellowship of the Knits. It's the unofficial Lord of the Rings knitting book by Tanis Gray. So there you go. This is like a coffee table book. I mean, it is seriously thick and beautiful. These are some of the patterns that are inside. Very authentic to the whole, Lord of the Rings thing. So very, lots of charting. Look at that character. I don't know who that, maybe that's the Hobbit, probably was. So if this is something that fascinates you, I think the patterns are pretty interesting and exciting. So who knows? It could be yours. The Fellowship of the Knits. The book this one is $34.99. If you want it, give me a call. Let me know. I'll save it for you. The second one is The Nightmare Before Christmas. What? So this looks all a little bit Halloween-y, but it's also ornaments and things like that. So there's a spooky cowl. Let's see, what else can I find? Lots of things. Look at that. Cool vest. There's a Fair Isle sweater. There it is in full form. This is also a great book if you're into the spookies. Look at those socks. Crazy. Oh, those are bat socks. Wow. All right. You might have to have this. I know Chrissy was like, I need to have that book. So those are mittens. Fingerless mitts. There you go. All right. So that's my teaser. Look at that cowl. Cool stuff. Anyway, that's the teaser. This one is The Nightmare Before Christmas. Again, by Tanis Gray. She has put all this together. So if you need one of these amazing books or a gift for a friend, this one is $39.99. This one is $34.99, okay? So here they are. Again, check off your Christmas list. Somebody might want it. All right, that's it for today. I will definitely see you tomorrow. And I don't leave until Friday, so you'll have me till Thursday. So there you go. All right, have a good evening. I will see you on Tuesday.